Welcome to Home Shopping 24 Live. Hey Tim, what do you want to show us today?
Today I brought you the brand new product from MSC International Corporation, the Swiss Army Brick. It's for you and for you.
Swiss Army Brick! Cool, what can you do with it?
You better ask what you cannot do with it. You can do nearly everything. We brought you a short spot to show you how can you use the Swiss Army Brick.
How can I open my bottle? Oh yes, I have my Swiss Army Brick.
Swiss Army Brick! Swiss Army Brick!
And cans.
Swiss Army Brick!
Butter your bread. Use it as a Kamerastativ.
Swiss Army Brick!
As a pillow.
Swiss Army Brick!
You can clean glasses.
Swiss Army Brick! Oh, that's awesome! Where can I order it?
You can order it here. For just $9.99, paid per paper, and you get free a hand of sand.
I got to have this, absolutely!
Goodbye, and we hope to see you tomorrow at Home Shopping 24.